interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against the United States. 6 nuclear missiles were launched from unknown Islamic locations in the Middle East and will strike in the next 20 minutes. These missiles are heading for the following areas: Los Angeles, New York, San Francisco, San Diego, Miami, and Chicago. All residents of the United States should go to a fallout shelter now. If no shelter is available, the National Guard will lead you to one. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure could result in certain death. Have food, water, clothing, medication, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. Tune to stations providing news for your local area. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KABC. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles metropolitan area. If you are not in this area, you should now tune to stations for your area. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
Citizens of the United States. Deep down, we have always feared the worst in these tumultuous times. We have survived many threats and attacks in the past. However, one of the biggest fears is being realized right now. Nuclear missiles have been launched and are currently heading for the United States. We don't know who will be affected, but one thing is certain: there will be many lives lost. However, this does not mean we should lose hope. By taking some basic actions, we can persevere and emerge victorious. In order to achieve this, we need to prepare for what is ahead. Right now, I strongly encourage you to take the following actions. Get to an underground shelter and protect yourself. Cover your head and brace for potential impact. Once this is passed, stay inside until an all-clear signal is given. Follow the instructions and guidelines given by emergency management. Also, stay off hazard phones. These lines should be kept open for emergency use. If you make an unnecessary phone call, you may be endangering someone who actually needs it. Most importantly, stay calm in this situation and respect your fellow man, as this is the only way we will survive. While we may be crippled by this attack, America will not be broken.